Hello and welcome to Adventure Time with Octavio Sanchez, episode 9. I'm Octavio Sanchez. And this
I'm his cousin Rob!
This is my cousin. He's not very nice. He's kind of be mean. Let's go. Yeah, we're going into the wilderness and we're going to survive on absolutely nothing except for all this weird things. Alright, so let's go into the wilderness here.
I think we should stop camp here or I'll kill you.
Pay no attention to the car. That does not mean that this is civilization and these houses, they're not actual houses.
Oh, this is so nice!
Okay, here we are on our campsite. That's not the house, that is just a holographic projector. Let's start making our campsite here.
Isn't that nice?
I'm making my bed. You have to sleep on the snow. My bed is these cushions.
No!
Yes, I get...
No!
Hey, don't hurt me, please.
I get this!
No, you sleep on the snow.
No!
You sleep on... Run away, stupid butthole! Go to sleep now! Yeah! Comfy! Very comfy indeed is. Ah, he's coming back! Ah! It's Darth Fear! Ah! Yeah! Ah! Ah! This time I'm sleeping with my baseball bat.
I'm gonna kill you!
Oh my God! No, he died in a skateboarding accident. Hey, look, a newspaper. Alright, and now, this is our shot time. And that's the end of this episode, and goodbye.